Okay, to start with, I'm going to have to remove these manifolds, the inlet and the outlet manifolds. This is the inlet and this is the outlet. We've got loads of material still inside there. First of all, I'm going to take the top manifold off. That's just held on with two large nuts. What I'm going to do once I've removed the top manifold is place it over a bin to drain. So there's going to be some material in the manifold. I've still got a bit of material in it. I'm going to chuck these away. All the gaskets are going to be thrown away. Okay, next what I'm going to do is remove the two turrets. Now what these are for, they don't contain any material, but they're just air turrets. Now the bolts for the top turrets have got the washers on them, and the bolts for the bottom manifold have got locking washers on them. And once again, you've got a Teflon gasket which needs to be chucked away. Okay, now I'm going to remove this nut here, which contains the ball valve. And now I can remove the end of the piston chamber. This is the messiest part of the job. This is where you need a bin underneath it. You need the chamber over, so it's hanging over the edge of the bench that you're working on, over a bin. These 4 bolts hold the entire unit on. Just take these off. So we've got some material coming out. There's not as much as I expected. Okay, inside here we've got this gasket. It's a nylon gasket which needs to be removed and thrown away. We've also got the ball bearing itself. We'll just tip that into there. That needs to be kept. And then inside here we've got the valve seating, which needs to come out, and that's also kept. On the other side of the ball seating there's another PTFE O-ring which needs to be thrown away. And then this ring needs to be kept. Plus also got another PTFE O-ring which needs to be thrown away. There's also another O-ring around the large nut which needs to be thrown away. And you've got this nut on the actual, this is the piston just here. Then you need to undo this nut. Okay. Now using the entire pump casing to pull that free like so. You're going to have to pull quite hard. To try and tap the actual piston off of the shaft. There you go. Once you've done that you can remove the piston. Okay, then once that's removed you've got this concertinaed nylon gasket here which is actually held on by the piston itself. Might need to twist it to take it off. There we go. And that seats on there, you can see there's quite a tight fit on there, and the back of it sits on there, which in turn is fitting in there, and once it's all done up it pinches it all together and that acts as the gasket, and that's also thrown away. And then you've got the back of the assembly which just comes off. And then obviously do exactly the same on the other side. All the pieces are then placed in the ultrasonic cleaning bath.